This is a Q6 Edge iLevel 2.0 power chair. This power chair has 57 miles on it, so it probably was used 3-4 months, practically in new condition. It has two functions. It has the 10-inch iLevel seat lift. It also has the electric tilt. Only two functions, the 10-inch seat lift, the electric tilt, which are probably the two most important functions. The first thing I'm going to show you about this power chair is the seat lift. So to make the seat lift go up on this chair, you would take your joystick here, and this knob on the left side, you would push it forward until you see where it turns into a picture of a seat. Now you've already got the tilt going, but I'm going to move the joystick sideways. Now we've got only the seat lift going on. So if I push this forward, backward I should say, now your seat is going to go up 10 inches. And the nice thing about this chair, when the seat is elevated, it'll still drive at 3.5 miles an hour. 3.5 miles an hour, you'll still be able to drive this chair. So now we've got the seat elevated 10 inches. I'm going to show you how it drives, just to show you. Now we're not going to be able to go 3.5 miles an hour, but you can be able to see that it does drive fairly fast. So now we've got the seat elevated up 10 inches. You can see the seat on this wheelchair. This is a 4-point seat. 4-point seat. You got two back here and two back here, so it gives you a real steady seat when the seat is elevated. You've got 14-inch non-skid wheel with alloyed mags. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got anchor points on both sides of the chair, so you got 4 of them to tie your chair down to your lift or to your van. You've got motors right here for each wheel on each side. If you want to put this chair in neutral, all thing you have to do is push the lever down, and you're in neutral. Do both sides, and then you can push the chair forward. This chair weighs 385 pounds, so it's not easy to push, but that's how you would push it. Back here, you can see back behind the chair, you've got your suspension, great suspension back here. This suspension is adjustable right here with this ring. There's your suspension for the back. And on the front of the chair, you've also got suspension on the front. If I turn the chair, you can see the suspension here, and it is now on the opposite side. While we have the seat elevated, your batteries would come out from here. So you have two batteries on these Q6 Edge. You have a lever, two levers in the bottom you squeeze together. The front door will come out forward, and you'll have two batteries come out. And it takes 55 amp batteries in this chair, which will give you about 15 miles on a battery charge. So this is your seat lift. I'm going to bring the seat lift back down. Oh, this is your tilt, I'm sorry. Let me do it now since we're doing it. So this would be your electric tilt. Now, let me bring back that, because you're going to get more tilt if the seat is all the way down. Let me bring the seat down. Even I get confused once in a while. So this is your tilt going, your seat lift going down. You've got a Roho cushion on here, a 20-inch wide Roho cushion by 18 inches deep. That's a $400 air cushion on this chair. Let me bring the seat lift down. And now we're going to do the tilt. This would be your electric tilt. Everything's adjustable in this chair, by the way, so if you need something adjusted, we can adjust it. So this is your electric tilt. You can see how it goes further now since you're not elevated. If you're up in the air, it will not let you do this. It'll only go partial. This is your full electric tilt. These arms are removable out of the way. These lateral pads are removable too, out of the way. You do, I'm going to bring it back down. You have your foot plate here. They can be raised up for easy exit. These foot plate in front are manual, so you're not going to be able to move these electrically. Those are manual. So you have the 10-inch seat lift, the electric tilt. And the turning radius on this chair is very nice. It's like 20.5 inches is their turning radius. So you can see how it turns on itself. This is considered a mid-wheel drive chair because the motors are in the middle, the drive wheels are in the middle, so it turns around the middle of itself. While we have it over here, you have your back. Your arms are adjustable over here. If you need to adjust the tilt on the arm, you turn these cylinders here and here. By turning them, you can adjust the tilt on the arms. the Rogo cushion I was telling you about. This is an air cushion. You just have a pump right here, which we're not showing you right now. You turn the valve, pump the air right through this valve right here, and you can adjust how nice and soft you want your seat. You can hear the air moving around. You've got your safety belt. These lateral pads can be moved out of the way, as I mentioned earlier, or you can move them up and down depending where you want them. When you charge this power chair, take your charger, plug it right below your joystick, and as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. The charger will recognize when the batteries are full, so you don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. The charger will stop charging automatically. As I mentioned earlier, you do have 2 batteries in here. They'll give you about 15 miles on a battery charge, depending where you're driving. So if you're looking for a power chair, almost new condition, with 57 miles, with a swing-away joystick, they can be put either on the right or the left. Drain cup on the left side, it can be switched over also. With a 10-inch seat lift, electric tilt, great suspension. One of the highest quality chairs you're going to buy from Pride Mobility. This is their Quantum 6-Edge 2.0 iLevel, and it's ready to go. This chair is so quiet you can't even hear it. It's so quiet, I mean it's like riding on air. Six miles an hour is top speed. You can see the suspension when I went through the grass with no problem. This is the best you're going to get with Pride Mobility. It's a Quantum 6-Edge 2.0 iLevel. Ready to go. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.